Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the owner of CsylvicCraft. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beaded ring. For this designs, I made this with 6mm purple and 11O lilac. And this, I'm going to show you how to make this now. 8mm, I used 8mm for this, 8mm gold and 11O seed bead red, and this as well 6mm red and white is L11O. So it's your choice to choose the one you want, the any size you want your ring. You can use both. So this is what it looks like. Once you get to this point, this is what it looks like now. So what I'm going to do at this point, I'll pass my needle through this 8mm here. I'll pull it. And I'm going to pick 9 seed bead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 seed bead here. So what I'm going to do now is this. I'll pass my needle. I'm going to pass back through this bead here, this 8mm. I'll pass my needle through this, then I'll pull. Once I pull, this is what I have. So I'm going to pass my needle through the 6 seed bead from the 9 I picked, like this. I'm going to pass through the 6 beads. Like this. So coming out of this bead, I'm going to pick 9 seed bead again. This is 9 seed bead. And I'm going to pass behind these beads here. And I'll pull it. This is what I have. And I'll pass my needle through the 6 seed bead in this order. Pass through this bead here. Make sure you're pulling it tight. So this is what I have. I'm going to pick 9 seed bead again. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 again, 9 seed bead. Then coming out from here, I'm going to pass my needle through the 3 seed bead in this direction. Then I'll pull it. Once I pull, I have this. I have this attached. So I'm going to pass my needle through the 6 seed bead. And once I pass through it, I'll pull it tight. Then I'll pick 9 again. I'll do this one more time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 seed bead again. I'm going to pass through those 3 seed bead behind the 3 seed bead, and I'll pull tight. So this is what I have. I'll continue like this till I get to the length and the size what will go around my hand like this. So I'll continue like this till I get to the length I want it. Then I will show you the next step. Once I get to this length, I'm going to pick 3 seed bead and pass my needle through this bead here in front. Then I'll pull it. Once I pull, I have it like this. Then I'm going to pick another 3 seed bead, another 3 seed bead. Then I'll pass it through the back of this, through this 3 seed bead here from the previous one. Then I'll pull together. Once I pull tight, this is what I have. At this point, I'm going to reinforce and tie, and I'll pass it through, back through this 8 mm. I'll pull it tight. Once I pull, this is what it will look like, and I'll pass my needle through this 8 mm. At this point, I'm going to make a loop and tie. From here, I will make a loop and tie. I'll do this 3 times. I'll make another loop here. And I will tie. I'm just trying to secure this. At this point, I'm going to just pass my needle through the 8 mm. Then I'll pull it. Start pulling, then I will take my cutter and cut out the excess. That's all for this design. Your ring is ready. So go ahead and make yours. If you have any question, don't forget to ask. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos, like them, comment if there's any question. See you next time. Bye bye.